We have a 2014 Citroen C3 Picasso. It's the 1.6 HDI model and it's got 74,000 miles on the clock. It is a category N, which is non-structural from the insurance company, and because it's the exclusive model, we've got a handful of goodies like daytime running lights at the front. We've got power fold mirrors, it's got alloy wheels, and it's got the reverse sensors on the back and a few other goodies as well. Right, so all good around the front, no damage, and the bonnet, and also the roof as well. And this side is nice and straight, no damage. It's got like chrome accents and a few bits because it's the exclusive model. And the back is all good. A few little chips there, we'll just touch these bits in there. There's a few flies on it. And then up the top, it's got a broken one of these. And if the back end will drop something on it. I bought another one, so I'll just bolt that on. And then down this side is all good. You see the top probably better from this angle. And this one here, and it's been bumped on this corner. And this is what you call a light damage, it really is. This is category N, as I said, non-structural. So it's only clipped. That looks like a tyre's rubbed past it, so a car's just kind of rubbed its wheel there, caught it here, a couple of marks here, and it's, you might not be able to see it there, but it's kind of distorted the wing slightly. It's kind of all right from around this side here, little kind of kink there, but it's kind of made it a bit messy here, and it's cracked the light as well. So I've bought a new wing. This will get repaired because it's only painted, and it'll get a new light as well, and this will be back on the road with this, well, the smallest of fixes for a category N. These typically retail for over £4,000 with these models because it's the exclusive, and it's in white, which is lovely as well. Keep the heat away from the car, and I dare say this is going to be quite a bit underneath £4,000. It'll make someone a very decent car.